So let's talk about being fault tolerant. So this is your ability for your service to ensure there is no single point of failure, preventing the chance of failure. You'll notice I had mentioned this in high availability, the no single point of failure thing. It really means fault tolerant, but you'll see in the example, it kind of seems very similar to our other example there, where we have redundant systems to make sure that we don't have a problem. So here's an example. We have a database, and so we have a master database, and something's happened to our database. And so we want to make sure that in the case of failure, we can fail over to a redundant system. So we call this a slave, and it's on standby because it's not in active use, but it will be once we move it over. And a really good way to conceptualize this is if you think of like a play, like for theater, you have the lead actor or actress, and they always have an understudy, a person that will take the main actor or actress's place if they get sick, and they will know everything. They'll be up to date on everything. And so that is what we have here, where we have, it says it's in sync because that standby slave has the exact same information as the master. It's just not in use. And so when there is a failure, we call it a failover. That's when you plan to shift the traffic to the redundant system in the case the primary system fails. So that is fault tolerance.